So technically I'm an adult and currently I'm hungry, there's no one here, so I have to actually cook for myself. Let's see how this goes. Hey y'all, it's Jailen. Welcome back to my channel. For those of y'all who don't know, I am a second-year college student. First year I lived in the dorms, which means I didn't have to ever cook for myself because I had a meal plan. I would go to the dining common. There was food already made. Was it good? No. But it was made and I appreciated having food 24/7. And so now my second year, I'm a resident advisor, which means I'm still in the dorms and still get a meal plan. This time I'm not paying for it, but I still don't have to cook for myself. So every time I come home, I'm like, cooking. So Chef JRD is going to cook for y'all and we're gonna hope I don't mess this up. So I'm kind of cheating because I bought this. So this is Italian sausage ravioli and this is superfood pesto sauce. Basically I just have to heat this stuff up and like put it in a bowl and eat it, but knowing me, I'll like burn the water or something. So let's go. I feel like this has to be healthy because the brand has leaves by it. This doesn't have directions, but I'm gonna put it in a pot and warm it up because I don't like cold pasta sauce. But okay, so the first direction is to boil water, so that's what we're gonna do. I used to play softball. That was probably terrible. I did it for literally half a season, so. Okay, the pot is boiling. My back's to it because, you know, a watch pot never boils. I used to think that if you boiled cold water, it would boil faster than if you boiled hot water. I don't know why I thought that made sense when I was younger, but it doesn't. So I put hot water in it so it'll go faster. I'm gonna use the smaller pot to heat up the sauce. I swear these things are childproof. So the ravioli is done boiling. I'm going to put it in a colander and strain it. Cooking ever make you hungry? We've got pasta. So I'm not getting any awards on like presentation, but let's see how it tastes. So I know all I did was like heat some stuff up, but this is really good and I'm very proud of myself. I feel like I've adulted today. Well, really that's it. I just wanted to make some food and record it. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you would like to cook with Chef JRD again, leave me some suggestions down below of things you'd like to see me cook. I promise I can actually cook. Watch out, Chrissy Teigen. I'm coming for you and your brand. Catch me with the cookbook next year. But I'm gonna go and eat my food before it gets cold. Subscribe if you're not already, all that fun stuff. Yeah, that's really it. I hope y'all have a lovely day and a lovely holiday season, and I'll see you in my next video.